Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the book back exercise of the lesson. How does food reach us? Underline the correct option to complete each sentence. Farmers prepare the land for the cultivating by harvesting or tilling. Answer is tilling. Adding compost or weeds enriches the soil. Compost. Sugarcane juice is cooled or heated continuously till sugar grains are formed. Heated. Rice husk or grain has to be removed in a mill before we can eat the rice. Husk. Shopkeepers usually buy goods from wholesale markets or mills and later sell to us. Wholesale markets. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Animals that damage plants are called pests. Sugarcane is harvested in the month of dash and dash. The month of December and January. Dash is dark, crumbly and smells like earth. Compost. Sugarcane juice is treated with dash to remove unwanted things. Chemicals. Sugar crystals are formed when the sugar solution crystallized. Understood? Next, answer the following questions. Define tilling. So, tilling is the process of loosening the soil. It's here. Tilling is the process of loosening the soil. Next, explain the process of growing sugarcane. So, growing sugarcane. First, tilling. This process in which the soil is loosened and turned over with the help of plow or cultivator. They then sow short pieces of sugarcane called sets at proper distances. After a few days, the sets sprout and grow into seedling. As the seedlings grow, farmers water the plants. Sugarcane plants require a lot of water. They also have to add compost and manure to the soil, remove weeds and watch out for any pests which may damage the crop. After about a year, sugarcane plants mature. Harvesting is done in the months of December and January, and the canes are taken to the mills. Okay, this is the growing sugarcane. Next, describe the process of making sugar from the sugarcane. So, This is second one. Second one. Okay. And this is third one, making sugar. The canes are first weighed. Okay. The canes are first weighed. Then the canes are then cut into pieces and cleaned. The juice is then extracted from the pieces. The juice is treated with the chemicals to remove unwanted things. The clear juice is heated continuously for some time till sugar grains are formed. The sugar is packed with big sacks and taken to the wholesale markets. This is the process of making sugar. Okay. Next, list some crops that are grown by farmers. Farmers also grow other types of crops such as cereals, pulses, spices, fruits, vegetables, tea, coffee and oilseeds. Okay. Next, why is Akram thankful to the farmer? So he must be thankful to the farmers because they work very hard. Thank farmers for all the foods that we get on our plate. Farmers work very hard to grow their crops. From preparing the soil and planting the seeds to harvesting the crops. Understood? For this, we finished our how does food reach us. Tomorrow, we will start then and now. Okay? Thank you.